show you how to make a bubble tea.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain night.
Bon appetit.
So this is how I like to make my own bubble tea at home. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, you've got to try it. I basically picked up these black tapioca pearls from my local Asian supermarket. And you just basically put them into some boiling water, cook for a couple of minutes, and then wait until they float to the top. Once they've come up to the top, you've just got to leave them to cook for like another 2 or 3 minutes. And then you put them in some cold water, and then I like to add a little bit of honey or sugar just to give it that little bit extra spice. And oh, look at that, they look so good. Why am I so excited about this? So I'm just going to add them now into the bottom of my glass. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and here's a different angle of us adding them into the bottom of the glass. But yeah, so pop them in, and then I'm going to try it with this cardamom iced milk tea that was kindly gifted from Tuk Tuk Chai. So I'm just going to pop that in. Didn't quite fill the glass, so I added a little bit of milk as well just to fill it up and give it like a little bit more spice. And I've got these amazing bamboo straws as well from Amazon that fit the bubbles through. So I've linked them in my bio if anyone wants to get those, but you've got to try this, literally 10 out of 10.